Well, hello everyone. Hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deborah and welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalk Creations. Today I'm doing a quick video to show you a few of the transfers that I have that Chalk Couture has got on sale for 70% off for a limited time. It's from now through January 1st while supplies last. And I just wanted to show you some of these. They got 100 plus styles. They could be transfers, surfaces, they've got paste, all kinds of goodies. So I just wanted to show you what some of these transfers are that I have. Plus they've got a bunch of other ones on the website. I will have a link posted down below in the description box so you can click on there and go ahead and stock up for next year in the holiday seasons or some other things that you want to use these transfers for. All right, this is one of them right here. These are the size A's that I'm showing you. These are regularly $11. You can get transfers as low as $3.30, which are the size A's, and then it goes from there. But this is one. Got the autumn one, teacher gifts, bookmarkers, the winter scene. I did a video with this one. I'll see if I can find it and post a link to that also. The Holly Jolly. I think that would make a cute banner. You've got the vintage Christmas tree. It has a chockable shaped surface that goes with this transfer. This is also for 70% off. Oh, you can't really see it very well with this on there. But here, let me open this up. Try to. Okay. Good packaging. Ah, I can't believe I can't get this thing open. All right. I'm just writing on it. Wow. Okay. But you know it's secure when it's packaged. This is what it looks like. But if you want to just go ahead and use a pattern design on this, you could also. So this is also for 70% off the shape. So, those are the size A's that I have, plus I've got a few others also. This one, this is just my indications there. These are the size B transfers, so you've got, you know, anywhere from fall to Halloween. You've got for Christmas, the holidays. We've got back to school. Okay. This would be great to make stickers with. All right. Got your autumn cutouts. I'm not sure if they have any of the wood shapes still in stock or not. They have the slim cuts. They don't have those 70% off, but I'm not sure if those are in stock. Let me look and see if they may have those listed. I'll look later on. But anyhow, you have these, and then you've got the patterns that you can use for other projects that you like to do. The travel stamps. I think these would make really cool keychains. This is the Mountain Heart. I did a project with that with one of the clubs. This would be really good for a t-shirt if you wanted to get some ink and do this on a t-shirt. I also think this would make a nice piece of art and put it on a canvas or a canvas board and outline this. You know, just use like a chalk pencil. Depending on if you're going to use a white one, try it with a dark like charcoal pencil. And go ahead and freehand paint it if you wanted to do it that way, or do some dot art, which is what I was thinking about doing. If you'd like to see something like that, let me know. Click, you know, comment down below in the video or in the comments. If you want to see me do a little bit of dot art or something like that. You have got your crafting tool or crafting labels. I don't know why I was saying tools because I was reading tools there. Beautiful things come together one stitch at a time. I've had a project idea with this. I just haven't, it's like a picture it, but I don't quite picture it. But I think this would be really great if you know somebody that's a seamstress, likes to do quilting. I think this would be really, you can get this 70% off, which would be $4.80. It's regularly $16. It's like, what? I mean, you can make a sign with this. You could put this on a piece of fabric, so that way if they want to do some quilting and, you know, use this with ink. These are the celebration minis. You got pretty much everything here. You know, you've got anywhere from birthday to congratulations, get well, made with love, thinking of you. These are great for cards. Literally freezing. This would be awesome. I mean, you can use this for winter decorations between now and spring. You just want to use the snowflake pattern. You could do that. You could just use the literally freezing. You can use the entire, because wherever it's white is where the ink or the paste, depending on what you would like to do it with. But I think this would be really cute on a t-shirt or blanket. Countdown to Christmas. They've got this transfer. Obviously, I've used this. They are out of the house shapes, I think, but that's a project that I did with the magnet. Oh, I just dropped the bottom half. There it is. With a little magnet. So even if you just got this on a board shape, now they do have the magnets. I added the bow. They just come with the greenery. So if you wanted to get that and just put this on a different surface, you could do that. All right, but this is an idea with a project you can do with that transfer. Okay. Feeling frosty. Let's stay cozy. This would be another nice winter theme thing that you could do a transfer with. This one also you could do I run on coffee and cocoa. You don't even have to do the Christmas cheer. Or you could just run on coffee and reposition that in cheer if you just wanted to use this for a winter theme instead of for the holidays. Or you can just have it ready for next year. I think this would make a really cute t-shirt or also a sign. Or if you wanted to put this on the back of your windshield somewhere, it's not going to obscure your vision. I think that would be really cute. Yes, the paste will go on your windshield. You've got this one. I think this would make, I think this is just art on itself. This is like a folk art kind of look. Scandinavian, I guess they call it. These are called Oh So Bright. Then you have got the Jolly Ornaments. I think these would be great on their own. Scandinavian birds. That could be for throughout the winter or year round. And then they also have the Christmas minis. Variety of those. So those are just some of the ones I have in a size B transfer. Let me see. Okay, I'll get to the shapes. So this is a size C transfer. These are 12 by 18. These are going to be $8.10. This is like a Halloween one, but I was thinking you got a teenager or maybe a craft room that you really don't want anybody to enter. You can enter at your own risk. Just don't do the cobwebs. You could do that right this way. Now this also has a chalkable shape that goes with this, that coordinates with it. You don't have to get it, but this is also 70% off. Okay. So these are the size C's. You've got your autumn leaves. I think these would make cute trees also, if you wanted to do with that. If you wanted to use this to make a fall wreath or something like that, you could do that. The Honey Bee Farm. I can't believe they're discounting this one already. But the Honey Bee Farm, I did a project with this. Right here. I did this on a canvas board, and I used their saffron yellow, and I painted the canvas. I have a video to this also. So I'll post a link down to that one below in the description box if you'd like to see that. I had some other project ideas I want to do with this one, so hopefully it's not gone too soon. Now this is the Haunted Houses. Oh, that's what I was looking for. It was for they have some wood house shapes that are perfect for this. And hold on, is this done? Yes. So if you want to go ahead and get this transfer, and you use it for Halloween, obviously. Also get the wooden house shapes that coordinate with this. Perfect match. They're pretty thick, so they'll stand on their own. You can embellish it with, you know, some trees or something like that if you like to. So that is this one. This is called Haunted Houses. Now this one, that will coordinate with their coaster set. So if you want to use it on the coasters. I tried this with ink. Not this transfer, but I've tried ink on that surface. And I'd rather do the ink so that way you don't have to seal it. But you can scrub it off, but it will take some work. But even these right here, these could just be used for year-round also. They don't have to necessarily be for holidays. Plus, you've got pattern designs over here you can use. The Nordic print. Love that one. This one right here are the Joy, what is this one? Vintage Joy and Peace transfer. You got 6 designs here on one for what? $8.10. Amazing. They've got the Firehouse gingerbread shape cutouts. Now the wood shapes are gone. I didn't get a chance. Whoops, I almost dropped it. I don't even know if this is the right one or not. Oh, I don't think this one is. Okay, whoops. No, it's not. This is the other one. Anyhow, they had some wood shapes. If you got the wood shapes, it's fine. Get another transfer if you want. Hold on. I thought I was a little better prepared. I guess I'm not. See, so I painted these. I just didn't get a chance to put, but this is how the shapes would come. They would come white. And I just sponge painted this with some camel paste. But if you want to use these for, I think this would look really cute on the bottom of an apron. Put them on the bottom of an apron. If you got that gingerbread baking company transfer, that would look, I think that would look really cute. And just put this on the bottom. And then have the snowflake pattern look like little snowflakes, gingerbread snowflakes falling down. I think that would be really cute. That's awesome. Get that. A lot of detail in there. You want to get started on Christmas cards for next year? This would be perfect for that. This is a size C. All kinds of goodies on that one. This one. This is called Freaking Jolly. I think these are just, if you want to have a little sense of sarcasm. I think that's too cute. Sweet but twisted. So these are 70% off. Now those are the size C's I have. They have other ones on there. I'm just showing you what it is I have in stock so you can see what these look like in real life. Get some size perspective. Okay, this is a size D. That's an 18 by 18. Now this is a fall wreath, but even if you didn't want, didn't want the saying on there, you just wanted to use the wreath part and that saying, you want to just leave this blank or do your own decor in the middle, you could do that. And this is, I think it's what it says, Welcome Fall Flora. It's a size D. So size Ds are regularly $33. They're now $9.90. I can't believe this one is going to be going. The farmhouse tile. Look at that. You can. This is an 18 by 18. So if you want to cut this apart, you can. If you just want to use the smaller squares for individual tiles, you want to section this off for another area, you can. If you want to use it completely as whole. You know what I had an idea for is to ink this on some fabric, get some liquid starch, and do it for a backsplash behind my stove. I think that would look really cute. So that's that one. The chevron. This is so cute. I think they call this the candy stick chevron pattern. I think that's really cute. So you could do that in red if you had red fabric, or if you have, paint background red, you can do the stripes white. Maybe in the springtime, like maybe a tie-dye background and do this all in white. I think that would look really cute. This one, I absolutely love this one. This is called, I think it's called the Holiday Toil Pattern. Now, what I like about this, I'm going to pull this in really close. There's just elements here. If you wanted to use just certain sections to make cards with, you could do that. You could use it as an entire piece on a pillowcase, for a throw pillow. You could do that. But they have different scenes. So that way, if you wanted to just go ahead and use them to make cards, you get a whole slew of cards out of this. And then, this is a size E transfer. This one is the Halloween one. And this is regularly $43. Size E is an 18 by 24. So it's 18 inches wide by 24 inches long. Now, you can use this for a porch sign, a porch leaner sign. It would be probably about 4 foot. So if you get a 5-foot piece of wood by about a foot wide, you could just, stack it together like that. Or you can use just certain elements of this. This is $12.90. So if you just wanted to use this portion, Welcome to Our Haunted Halloween, you could do that. And then you could do this section here, Eek So Scared, on a different part. Ghosts, Goblins, you could use that as a different sign. Witch's Lair, you could just use that section. So you could just use certain elements of this and make your own signs or little sayings or things on t-shirts or for trick-or-treat bags. All right. Oh, I wanted to show you also some of the shapes that they've got that I haven't, that I personally have. This is the Merry Christmas. These are the reusable shapes. It coordinates with this transfer. I think this one is sold out, but if you do have this transfer and you didn't get the shapes are 70% off. So snag those while you can. They also have the wooden snowflakes. These stand on their own. I've done a project with those. I've got those stored away right now. But these are the wooden snowflakes, so they've got the duo with that. They've got the autumn leaves. Now, they don't have the transfer that coordinates with this for the shape, but I think I do have one or two that I might have for sale in a private sale in the future. But if you wanted to just use one of the pattern transfers on these, you could do that. Or just save them for next fall or, you know, spring. Doesn't matter. I think that was it for the shapes. And I already showed you this one, and I showed you the house. So, yeah, that is it. They've got a whole bunch of other things here. Let me pull up my laptop here really quick and see if I can show you. All right. Yeah, they've got some kits on here. I don't even have that one. I don't even remember carrying that one, but they've got that. That is a reusable surface. They've got the double-sided frame. See, they've got a bunch of other transfers here. Let me see. Glow-in-the-dark paste. They've got it in the packets for 90 cents. Those are regularly $3 each. Right there's the cutouts I was showing you. The cutouts are $4.20. Those are regularly $14. Let me see here. Yeah, see right here they've got the apothecary. These are some of the kits that we've got going on. Now, these are not on sale. I mean, they're discounted, but they're not the 70% off. But they do have some other kits on there. See, they've got all kinds of, look at that. We got the vintage tree, holly jolly, follow la, Santa stop here. I think that would make a cute sign. Do a red wood, you know, paint a piece of wood red, and then do that in the white. I think that would look awesome. But yeah, so they've got some other transfers on here that I did not show you. They got the wood for the trees, the shiplap and joy. I missed out on that one. That one's pretty cool. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you are able to take advantage of some of the deals that Chalk Couture's got going on. Like I said, I will have a link posted down below in the description box where you can go ahead and shop the specials. And also a couple of those videos, if I can go ahead and find the videos. All right, thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day, and take care until I see you next time.